Hi, my name is Dr. Sacheev Nanda. I'm a dentist, and today I want to talk to you about the importance of oral hygiene. Oral hygiene is very important because not only does it look after your teeth and your gums, but also it helps you look after your general health. Yes, oral health is a mirror of your general health, because if you have bad oral health, the bacteria present in the mouth, in the gums especially, can go to all the parts of the body through your blood vessels. This can cause strokes, heart attacks, and various other ailments. Therefore, it is important for us to look after our oral health. Of course, we all want to have a nice smile. We want to be able to eat our food well and talk to others with confidence. So, to do all this, we must brush our teeth daily, twice a day. We must floss, we must use a mouthwash, and look after our teeth very well. You should visit a dentist at least once every 6 months. That is the best time to visit a dentist, because even if you have no other problems, a dentist will look at your teeth, look at your gums, and tell you how you are brushing your teeth. If you are brushing them well, if you need to improve in some way, do a general cleaning to areas where you cannot reach properly, so that we maintain always a good oral health at all times. Because in dental problems, if you are having pain or sensitivity, it means already that your dental problems have been around for very long. And the treatments to now solve these issues will be time consuming and also expensive. Therefore, for your own interest, it's better to visit your dentist every 6 months to get a regular checkup. We must make this a norm, that we should go to our dentist even when we have no trouble, just to get a normal checkup, to get a cleaning, to make sure that you won't receive any surprises. Okay? And therefore, maintain your oral health well, and of course your overall well-being as well. At home, what you can do is brush your teeth twice a day. You can use a mouthwash, and you can floss. Now, a lot of people find flossing very tedious, so using a water flosser is a fantastic way to clean in between the teeth. A lot of patients come and tell us that, "Doctor, I'm brushing so well, how do I have cavities?" Brushing only cleans the surface of your teeth. You need something to clean in between the teeth. So either floss or use a water flosser. Mouthwash, on the other hand, helps you create a disinfected environment in the mouth. Throughout the day we are eating, and as we all know that there are a lot of bacteria present in the mouth, especially if you are eating a lot of carbohydrates or sugars, you're going to have a lot of sugar present in the mouth for the bacteria to feed on and cause a lot of gum and dental problems. Therefore, using a mouthwash helps kill most of these unwanted bacteria. Plus, it also maintains some of the healthy bacteria. Okay? So, use a water flosser, use a dental floss, use a mouthwash, especially at night before you sleep. This is the most important part. So, you do this and you visit your dentist every 6 months to make sure you're doing a good job, and therefore you'll maintain your oral health as well as your overall health.